Give me a countdown. Countdown from 5. Give me a countdown from 5. I don't know why the music isn't working, but you can hear. Countdown from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, and a 1, and a 0. Here we go. All right. Heading back towards this way. There should be plenty of people for this.
Coolio GT89 just subscribed.
It is the battle.
Hello.
Battle of gym control. 2 minutes. Yo, Julio. Thanks for the 13 months. My gosh. Let's see if we get something good from the Hoopa, and if we can find a legendary bird afterwards. Iris, I see you in the chat. We cannot send you this invite even if we wanted to. So please no friend codes. We might be able to host something in between the elite raids, but I need to be able to get to the other side of the park. XCap says, I have seen both in the wild in Cloudy, the mammal swine, or the swine up and pillow swine. All right, here we go. You can only local raid this. Like legendary raid, but you had to be there at a specific time. But they made the Hoopas less time, and then like apparently there's supposed to be some extra spawns afterwards. Okay, it took us 4 minutes to get into the raid, beat it, blah blah blah. What is the hundo? Does anybody know the hundo? Anybody? I have no idea what the 100% non-weather boost, by the way. 2224. Does that sound good? Oh, we got it on the first try. 2220. Oh, not a keeper. Where's my timer? Dude, where's my timer? Is this thing bugged again? $22.89 was the hundo non-weather boost. Okay, well, not it. Where is my timer? Do I get another glitched? Looking on the nearby, nothing crazy is showing up. Is the timer supposed to pop up? I think we have another bugged out EX ray. I don't have no timer. Lame. Should I drop my daily instance? Back-to-back bugged elite raids. I have no timer. Oh, but we found a legendary Mareep. Look at this rare spawn. Snorlax? Nope. All right. Let's see if we can build some interest for this one right here. So far, nobody is here for this. How many people do we need to take down Hoopa? Do we need a big group? Oh. Oh. Somebody else is here. All right, let me reset this lobby. Reset. I need a big group. Well, I definitely don't have bug types maxed. Yeah, we have the right counters in friendship. So, yeah. This one is not going to be good. We're probably don't have a group for this. Oh, hold. I guess it doesn't matter. I guess it doesn't matter for me because, I mean, we're oh. And what's up with this lobby bug? Okay, we have people. I just don't know what level they are. Oh, 8? All right, shout out to whoever's here. I don't know who's here. Lobby is bugged out. Pun intended and unintended. I don't know where they are. 8 people is right at the number, but depending on their level, you know, we might have enough. Wish us luck. Yeah, elite raids are only in person. It's kind of like their middle ground or their throwback to how raids were back in the day when it came out the first 4 years. This is the one thing that I think people will be okay raiding in person if it's, I don't know, pretty exclusive. But the worry I had from last time was how many of these exclusive raids can you really host to like have people interested? You know what I'm saying? Like there's only so many Pokemon that could be interesting enough for people to raid in person. Oh, we actually have people prepared. I forgot to Mega Evolve. Somebody actually brought their Mega Sizer here. It does look like we're doing initially a good amount of damage. Hoopa is 66,000. 66,000 CP. So yeah, we definitely needed a group. Let's see if we can get to the yellow by the 150. Oh, Hoopa absolutely crushed my first team. I think we got it. I think now that it's in the red with the 100, I think we're maintaining damage. Good DPS. Whoever came in here last minute, thank you. I don't know where they are. We got a new setup. I was more worried about that. And to be honest, I thought we would have more people for both of these raids. That first one we had like 17, 18. We crushed it. This one, we got super lucky. Okay, boom. 2289 is a hundo, right? That's what somebody said. Non-weather boosted. All right, here we go. Hundo check. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Not even close. 2's across. Importantly, can we get some special spawns, Niantic? Come on. Yo, back to back first ball. Back-to-back first ball, by the way. Oh, terrible. Timer. 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 I did this last time, it didn't work. The timer should automatically show up, right? What am I doing wrong? Did I get timer banned? No. Nothing. Okay, F's in the chat. Big F's in the chat. Big F's. Have a great rest of your day, night, or whatever's for you. We'll see everybody in the next one. And peace.